Hello, I'm Jerry Brainerd with Revolution Manufacturing in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. We were going to go through some drums today, and I wanted to show a few items that we look for when inspecting the drums. As you see, we got some used drums here. We got a couple nice ones here that have some serious damage, as you can see. Obviously, this needs to be re-rubbered. And we go through the cams as well. If you can look here, you'll notice we can move that cam. What that is these brass nuts. If the brass nut that's on the cam is worn, you can see that it's moving. That brass nut moves on here, so the steel is harder than the brass, so the brass will wear. Then we have to replace the cam. This cam's going to get replaced. When you come to a drum like this, we notice this darkening. This is a definite indication of heat buildup, and you'll see here that there's some checking, cracking in the rubber, which means it's older rubber, but it's also gotten hot, cold, hot, cold. That creates that checking in the rubber. This drum, of course, there, that cam is loose, as well as these. So these will be removed and replaced. One last feature I'd like to show you is when someone either runs over some sandpaper, or sometimes when they hit a cord, they get these deep grooves, or nails usually cause thinner lines, such as that. But when you get some deep ones, someone either ran over sandpaper, the sandpaper blew off, or sometimes when people run over a cord, you'll get these deep grooves as well. But these are just a few of the things that we're looking for when you send drums into Revolution Manufacturing. Thank you very much and have a great day.